Hey Lavish fam, welcome back to another vlog. Okay, so as I told you all, I think it was last week or so that my friend Diana got married and I was going to be sending her a care package. Well, as you also know, I'm going to be going on vacation. So I've been like all over the place trying to get things done before I leave tomorrow for vacation. And the last thing that I kind of need to do other than finish packing is to make her ornaments as part of her gift package for, congratulations on her wedding. So because I'm going to be doing ornaments and I was asked a few times when I was doing them before of how I do them, I figured that I would just kind of vlog the process. It's pretty simple. So basically what I use is just a bunch of the clear crafting ornaments. I usually get the iridescent ones. Sometimes I'll get the regular ones as well, but I really like the iridescent ones because you can actually just put like the little snowflake stuff in there or like little glitter in there or whatever, and then just put, some like stickers, or if you have a cricket, or I think it's what, I can't think of the name of those, silhouettes or whatever, you can use those to decorate. I am looking for something. But either way, you can use those. Like, see, I made this one. This is an example. So you can either like use glitter, or you can just use like the little snowflake stuff and then put a name on it. This is one that I made for Amani's best friend. And then, so you can use different size ones, or, larger, smaller. It's just kind of up to you, whichever one you decide to use. And then I have all different colors of glitter. These are the ones that I'm going to be using for Diana and her family. And then you use polyacrylic. And this is just the water-based one. And it comes out like kind of clear. So that's what I'm going to be using to make these ornaments, as well as my cricket to put their names and whatever on the front of them. So I'm going to have 3 of the same. I'll probably do 3 small ones and then 1 bigger one for, 3 small ones probably, and those are just regular non-iridescent ones. I'll do those for their individual ones, and then I'll do the bigger one with their like last name or something on it, their new last name and something. And then I also have a bunch of different ribbons, or ribbon to match whatever colors I use. So all right, so this is what I'm working with. I just have a paper plate so it doesn't kind of mess up everything. Let's open this up. This stuff goes a long way because I use this on some of everything when I'm painting large furniture pieces or whatever, and this stuff lasts a long time. I still have over a half in here, and it just kind of look a little milky. All right, so what I do is I take this off. Let me see. I'll take this off, set it to the side, and I'm gonna just get some of this. What you want to do is coat the whole inside. Okay, got a little bit on my finger. So what you want to do is, once you coat the inside really well, you want to pour off any excess, but make sure you get it coated really well on the inside. Okay, so now that I've gotten most of it out of there, I am going to add in my glitter. And just move it around slowly, basically to try to get the glitter to go and cover all of the sections. Just keep rotating and adding more glitter until you get it completely covered as such. And there you have it. There's the first one. I'm gonna put this back on. There's the first ornament. Okay, so now that I have all of the ornaments that I'm going to be making tonight done, all of the glitter is in there. These are all the ones that I'm going to be making. I'm going to go ahead and put names on them, and then I'll decide on the bow colors for each of them. So these two right here, I'm just leaving the iridescent color because I'm going to be putting purple names on them because that's both of their first favorite colors. So I just left them iridescent, and then I put in this one, it looks like little balls of snow, and then this one is also like just kind of, I don't know if they're snowflakes or what, but either way, that's what I'm doing with those two. And then I think these are my favorite. The best glitter that I find that's easiest to use is the fine glitter. So these two were a little more difficult because they're not the fine glitter, but either way it worked out. It just took a little bit more patience and a little bit more coverage, or a little bit more time to get the glitter in there. But all right, so let me start making names so I can put on there, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I am finished with the ornaments and I will show you how they all came out. Let me show you real quick. All right, so that is it for this vlog, this DIY project, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.